In this video, I'll show you how to update your Windows 11 step by step. First, click on the search bar and type in Settings. From there, go to Windows Updates on the left panel. As you can see on my screen, I haven't updated it yet. To start the process, just click Resume Updates. This will allow Windows to check for and install the latest version available. You can also toggle the option that lets you receive the latest updates from Microsoft as soon as they are available. Turning this on ensures you're always ahead with the new features. Now let's explore advanced options. Here you can enable updates not just for Windows but also for Microsoft products like Office 365. You'll also see additional toggles for features like update notifications and restart settings. Next, scroll down to optional updates. This usually includes drivers or extra features. Right now I don't have any available, but if updates are released, they'll show up here. Another useful option is enabling the notifications. This way, Windows will alert you if a restart is needed after installing updates. Finally, let's talk about active hours. This lets Windows know when you usually use your PC so it doesn't restart during those times. You can set it manually or leave it on automatic mode, which works for most people. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.